All right, so we were at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas, which is right outside of Dallas-Fort Worth. We're in room 7053 at a kid camp. We can use our wristband to unlock the door and take a look at the kid camp. So right when you first walk in, first of all, heavy door there. We've got the kid camp. As you can see, it's set up to look like a tent. It's kind of like this plastic shell, but it's set up to look like a really fun wolf den, like we're out on an adventure camp. We've got 2 bunk beds, obviously a bottom bunk, top bunk, some cute characters, a little blue jay and a frog here, a little wolf over here with a net, another wolf over here playing guitar with a little backpack. Pretty comfortable bed here. Pillow, blanket, and sheets. There is an outlet back here, so if you have something that needs to plug in for the kids. Top bunk, similar situation. Right as you walk in, though, we've got the bathroom. Of course, a toilet. We've got shower curtain. Pretty good sized shower head there. There is a tub for those who prefer a tub over a shower. Ironing board, iron. We've got some coat hangers, some extra blankets and pillows here. I think that that's going to be because there is a pull-out couch, but we'll take a look here. One interesting thing is that away from the bathroom is the sink area here in the hallway. So we've got a sink here, conditioner, shampoo, lotion, and soap. There is a hair dryer here. Moving in, we've got a little kitchenette, coffee maker, we've got a microwave, we've got Cafe Valet dark roast coffee there with some cups, a couple of plastic cups with an ice bucket. There is a refrigerator here. Looks like some pretty good space. There is a little freezer section up top for small things that you might want to keep frozen, ice packs, yogurt pouches, things like that. Some storage for cans in the door there. And then we've got a queen size bed with an end table on either side. We've got an alarm over here. We've got a phone over here. And then we have a couch with a little chest. We tried to open this chest earlier. It doesn't open up. But let's see, is this a pull-out sofa? It is a pull-out sofa, so that's what those extra sheets and blankets are going to be for over by the ironing board. There is a table with chairs, a ton of space in this room. So I think if you've got a family of 4 to 6, this is going to be plenty of room. There is a television here. Looks like we're going to have 7 drawers and some extra storage shelves there. Let's take a look outside and see what our view is. Beautiful. Over there on the right side by the end of the building is the Gaylord Texan, and that's a massive hotel. So for those who are looking to see anything over at the Gaylord Texan, or if you're at the Gaylord Texan looking to come over to Great Wolf Lodge, really close proximity to one another. But this is the kid camp room. Not a bad little place for those looking to get away.